These are my cultivation in my terrace at Jawahar Nagar, Kozhikode. Here we can see so many ornamental plants, medicinal plants, chili plants, jackfruit plants, and fruit yielding plants and trees, chili, orca or lady's finger plants, and many more. For an effective cultivation, to see chemicals or any other pesticides are not being applied, and to evaluate these are effective even than the chemicals or non-organic cultivation. Here we can see the best possible growth, the chlorophyll content increasing, and the flowering, fruiting are all in a standard form. This can be compared with any of the agriculture practice where it is free of any pest attack or any disease. But here we can see the recovered plants from the dreaded disease, virus disease. Had 2 months earlier, it had a stunted growth. Now, after spraying our homeopathic product, Homeo Agro Care, that has given comparative relief, cure for this entire plants. This is a brinjal plants earlier with the disease, the virus disease, and even the whitefly attack also. Now it is almost over and seems to be in good growth. Here right from the very bottom we can see the plenty of branches that is suggests more of the crop. These are growing in a natural way, and we can save a minimum of 70% of water and 40% manure. Only one single medicine is needed for the entire satisfaction of a farmer. It's a growth promoter, or we can say in one word, it's a vitalizer. It can be practiced at any area or irrespective of seasonal change, or better to say climate change. It thrives fully for betterment of human being, whereby no harm to the consumers. In other words, it is free of pesticides or heavy metals like arsenic, cadmium, cobalt, nickel, chromium, mercury, and the like. We have to cultivate in this way so that the consumers cannot have any health effect. This is the nursery plants. We have applied our homeopathy medicine before planting, that is on seed treatment. For a small seeds like spinach and like, you have to give only 5 to 10 pills in a in about 100 milliwatt, keeping together for about 2 to 3 hours. Then we have planted. This is the best growth that we can expect. This is a flowering plant that is we have seen on third day after planting. Before plucking from that original place, Homeo Agrocare that is in pills form 2 gram per liter was applied as a mist spray to the plants that was in the original site, and on second day we have transferred it to in this container for a speedy rooting and growth. We are seeing a plantation where the bird eye chili are planted here at a remote area of Arankot Kolamba near Malambuzha in Palakkad district. These are said to be of highly effective for the control of many health problems, and the people are aware about this product. So we have planted 1.5 months before with the help of a subject expert, a farmer who was awarded with the Best Farmer State Award and Karshak Shri Award. I, Dr. M. Abdul Latif, along with engineer Shafiq of Calicut, have a good acquaintance with Mr. Santosh Kumar, who is the leading farmer. We have used the Homeo Agrocare, a product formulated by myself. Agrocare, a product formulated by myself about 20 years before. This is our product is a natural or eco-friendly one, where the virus and the pests are being controlled. Moreover, we can save 70% of water and 40% of manure.